Here we are, going back to Bachelor. Love going back to Bachelor. About to meet all the boys at Bachelor. J-Bone, Jet, Joseph, all the J's, J-owned. Let's go. Hit some park up, hit some backside up, slash, hit the gnar. Now I'm just saying words. Hell yeah. Love camping out, waking up, shredding, camping, shredding again. That's the lifestyle. See you out there. What's happening? Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
Get all waxed up?
Yeah.
Let's go.
She's good to go now.
That looks like a sexy one. Oh. Woo! That monster.
Top sponsor or something.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go. I'm sweating my ass off, dude.
Let's go, bud. What's up? Let's go.
Hey, Silver.
J-Bone's first time going to the summit.
All the way up.
All the way up.
Stop me. I'm all the way up.
Hit the backside up.
See how it is? We appreciate the service.
Let's go, doggo.
This is where we're going?
Yeah, this is where we're going.
Oh yeah.
Straight down that way.
I like it.
Immediately. This is a good traverse.
My foot is numb.
Ooh. Somehow.
It was nice down the middle right there.
Lesbians and homeless people.
Woo! Yo! Oh! Oh! Yo, my guy. Yo. Nice. Way to go, Bailey. Way off the pyramid.
I did it. 3rd time's the charm.
Good job, see? That's sick.
Oh.
Nar slam.
Very gnar.
Nice.
I think it's broke.
You think it's broke?
My collarbone.
Yeah, it looks
No.
I mean,
Bro.
You get patrol over here, man? It doesn't like fucking hurt really, but it's like.
He says, I broke my collarbone, but it doesn't hurt.
Hey, sure, it's your collarbone.
how much does it cost?
If it's free, then fuck it. You got it. Oh, wait,
Is it the opposite one or is it the
Same one.
same one? You're on Jet Spy.
Swelling down, y'all.
Bro, you ever seen a fucking...
Two shoulders. No, it might have just like dislocated because it popped a few times when I was taking my gloves off.
Fuck, man.
I'm done for sure.
What's up, man? Yeah. You slumping?
You hit the nod for like.
J-Bone, who is just fine, but he is now not.
Just fine. I was just fine. No, I'm not.
How you feel, buddy?
Feel pissed the fuck off. Be out of work. Broke a collarbone. That's about it.
Yeah, what more can you say?
We got between J-Bone, Jet, and myself, we have 6 broken collarbones. That's a lot.
All the collarbones. It just means you guys have weak bones.
Yeah. Fuck you.
I got one.
Some milk. Where's the calcium
I am the
intake?
J-Bone. How y'all any weak bones?
He broke his J-bone.
Ah. Champed out.
Oh, baby.
Broken collarbone and all, buddy.
Collarbone.
All right, this was such a good trip, guys.
Oh
That
yeah.
was a banger.
It's really good seeing you, man.
Good seeing you, man.
About to get back out there on the Cuntmates trip.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. And we outie.
Good footy.